Despite Regal having over 700 employees, selling thousands of boats a year and doing millions of dollars in sale annually, at the end of the day, it's still a family-run operation.
It's a family-owned business since the day they started, and the brothers still are CEO and CFO and vice president of sales, and they're not just in this big office. They walk the floors of the factory, they know the employees.
I think Regal and Sandy Hook Yachts have a lot in common. They have an intimate process put in place to connect with their clients, to make them part of our family, to Regal connecting with their dealers and bringing them on as part of their family.
I think a big takeaway for me at the factory and what can help better me serve my customers moving forward is seeing how they really test every single boat.
What really stood out to me with Regal was the technology they put into it.
From the very beginning of getting the resin and the gel and the fiberglass to the final product, and only having to take 13 days.
How it's much more of a hands-on approach. Anything from the people testing the paint colors, making sure the paints are the same color,
to the final steps of running the boat at the test basin to make sure it's good to go and ready to deliver. Just made me more sure about selling the product to my clients.
So what I'm most excited with Regal and heading into 2026 year is all the upcoming boat shows.
When we were down at the factory, we talked a lot about the New York Boat Show at the Javits Center with Chad and the rest of his team.
I'm looking forward to, in 2026, to take the New York Boat Show by storm.
I don't know what they're producing, but with all the new products they've had coming out lately, I'm really excited to see what they come up with.
They're always moving forward. They're very innovative on what they do. As a dealer, that is very important to us.